And we are live, boys! Oh, I have to restart everything. Oh my. Okay, I thought everything was started, but no, my PC crashed. Well, not my PC, but... I mean, the Streamlabs crashed, and other stuff crashed, so it was an Unreal Engine crashed. I mean, there was a bit of a cascade effect. Not exactly what happened, but a lot of stuff crashed. And yup, there is the result. Even Winamp? No, Winamp is here. Okay, Winamp didn't crash, incredibly enough. Okay, let's jump right into it. OBS, I don't know what is it, but streamers always talk about it messing up and crashing. Yeah, OBS is the base system for streaming that then has been expanded, developed, and augmented to become other tools like Streamlabs. But you can still use the old OBS, the base OBS if you want. Yes, you can. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, so we found out that we cannot change the texture of items dropped on the ground that you can also equip as a racial armor. So we will not do it. I was thinking about it a few moments ago, and I will not do it. So we will just change the mesh, which is already an advantage, because at the moment the majority of our armor, when you drop it to the ground, becomes a sack, and that's not really nice, right? It's not really nice. So what I want to do, yes. So it is a very simple mesh, but it's better than nothing. It's better than a sack, right? So we want to assign this one to all the arms. And as you can see in the database is a sack. So it's sack pretty much everywhere for all these items, instead of being that one. So we're going to change it. So we're going to use arms from here to there. But we are not going to change the icon or the texture, because this is what we learned, that if we do it, everything fucks up, right? And so we're not gonna do it. We're not gonna do it. Okay, so we copy this. We put it in our file where we say fix on arms meshes. Okay. Fix on arms meshes. I think I can probably just delete all these lines at once when we finish the list. By the way, hello Jed, how are you? You just connected now randomly, or you connected now because you saw the stream going up? Because I just restarted right now. Maybe you saw the message of restarting at 9. That is possible. Okay, so these are all the fixes for the arms, right? So boots, gloves, and arms. Then we have the torso pieces. The torso pieces, let me see. Now the problem is if I search torso, probably I find also a bunch of other stuff. Let's see. No, it's exactly the same. All these ones also when you drop them, they are all a sack. Now, a bit of the difference here, if you want, like also for the arms, is that obviously if it's a plate armor, right, it's kind of different if it's a leather armor, right? So, I mean, in theory, it would be nice really to have different meshes for each. At the moment, I don't think we have any of that. Ah, yes, we have this one, but this one is really a plate armor, right? I mean, we can drop this. I mean, dropping this is already better than dropping a sack, but let me see the texture of this one, because it looks also this one is super small. No, it's not super small. It's 512. Okay, I don't know. It looked like worst. So do you prefer to drop this in all cases where we have an armor, or not? Or do you prefer to drop a sack? Probably I prefer to drop an armor. At least you seize an armor, right? Because I think the question is, do we have other options like... we don't have a lot of options here, unfortunately. I think we have some folded robe, right? Like this thing. But that is very, very basic, right? We don't have a leather armor, and I don't know if we can change it. Anyway, we have the same problem. We cannot change the texture of this one unless we create a completely new piece of armor, right? And I cannot do it now. I cannot do it now because it's too complex. Yeah, let me see if this one is used anywhere or not. If I search C-string mesh, I don't know why it's adding this. I have no idea. C-string mesh, and we do torso armor. No, it's not used anywhere. So this one at the moment is basically unused, right? It's basically unused. So yeah, I think that's the easiest way. Let's take the easiest approach, boys. We have a lot of stuff to do, and at the moment I cannot really, you know, do a lot. So it's fine. Let's take the easy approach. So we will set this armor for all the armor. As usual until line number 9, or no, until line number 8. Line number 8. Okay. Okay. So we check this in, and then we get it from here. Right? So that is fix on torso armor mesh. Right? Okay. And then we do just the end line. Oops. Okay. We will remove that prod 2 altogether in one shot. Okay, after the torso, the arms, the gloves, and the boots, we have the legs, right? Yeah. We have the legs. So on the legs, we have this single piece, and I think we will do the same. We have the single piece, which is maybe not fantastic, but it's better than nothing. Which is this legs armor, right? This thing. Which is using this texture, which is already 512, so I think it's okay at the moment. Okay, let me just see if this one is used by anyone at the moment. I don't know why it's always adding this table, considering we are already in that table, right? It's a bit weird. Nope, it's not used by anyone. Okay, fine. Now legs, I don't know if it, I think it's called pants actually. I think we have pants. Yeah. These are actually 9. I don't know why in the other case we were missing one piece. It's kind of strange, huh? Why the torso was missing one? Steel plate, plate mail, chain mail, brigantine bronze, spider, leather, and banded. So which one is missing? There is one missing. No, legs, pants. There is one missing actually. Banded chain, the thick. Thick pants. No, thick we don't have. That is not thick. Okay, fine. Probably is that one then. Okay, but all these ones until again number 9. Right, until number 9 should have the reference to this one. And then if in the future we create more with for all the types, that's even better. But for now we just go with this. Okay. 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 Nice. So we also, this is the fix on the pants mesh. No. Okay, after this, we only have what? We only have the plate mail, right? We only have the plate. No, the plate is already included into this. Yeah, it's already included. Because it's the one that we swap on the torso. So I think we have all the pieces. Because we have pants, torso, arms, gloves, and boots. Yeah. And the helms are already correct. Okay, nice. So I think we can then just do a test, right? What I want to do, I want to change. Yeah. To change that. Okay, so if we start the server now, and we start the client. Now, a few bugs I want to check. There's a long time I don't check the bugs page because I had enough backlog. I don't even know if it loads up. Oh my god, it doesn't load up? Okay, it loads up, yeah. I was like, what the fuck? No, the last one was this one that... yeah, there'd be no new... Oh no, sorry, because it is the... Wait, it is the... What is this one? Players unable to use some crafting due to high... Huh? High stamina usage. Yeah, this is probably something that we have to fix. Okay. Yeah, I think the whole player experience, you know, is something that I should test more, but like starting from a empty account and see. Okay, so basically the idea is that if now we go here in slash item, right? And we go under armor, whatever type. Yeah, all of them now should have a mesh, right? And it will be the same for all pretty much, right? Like we have these boots, but at least we have this glove. So now they all have, right? Now they all have a mesh at least. So if you drop them, they are not the sack anymore, right? Nice. exactly. Ah, this one is wrong. This one is actually wrong. Tick pants. Tick pants seems that is overriding. And also tick arms. I don't know if we are using these things, but tick pants and tick shirt arms are overriding. But I'm wondering what happens then if I use them. Yeah. No, these are wrong, yeah. So tick pants, I mean, we're wrong already, so it's not that we broke anything now. But thick pants, as all the other pants, they need to have the standard 552 or 6. 552 or 6, good question. 552 is the ladder one. 6 is the, I think, is the default for the race. 6. No, 6 is the chainmail. No, I think you should use the ladder, so 552 I think is correct. 552. So this should be 552. So where ID is 413, okay. Where ID is 413. Okay. Okay, but we fixed all of that, which is nice. So now we have at least a mesh to drop to the ground, right? Instead of no mesh. So that's good. So I think that this task is actually completed. Which was most armor without a 3D model when dropped, right? So this one, I think we can say that is done. Review the plant's mineral distribution, add more spot. This is actually something that is someone is working on it. So review and answer the input action for a shortcut bar. Yeah. Increase textures for Amdeneir guild and scale up. Yep, that's also a very good point. I think I would like to do the, okay, let's do the Amdeneir guild. Should not be that hard. So the Amdeneir guild, right, is under what? Is under guild houses. By the way, I also wanted to change the guilds to be non-meshes. Yeah, I remember that. Not non-sub-actors. Yeah, there was a change I wanted to do actually. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, the problem I have with this guild house, this guild house is very nice. The problem is that I think is not scaled properly. So the size of everything is a bit too small, right? I don't know exactly how to prove it to you, but this door, right? This door, it is scale 1. And you see that the door itself is about probably 20% less, right? 20% less than the current mesh. Yeah, and at the moment is 190. So this means that the door is probably 160. So like if I put a guy here, and I don't know if I can. We have to be sure to remove it, okay? But if I put Ilian, no, fuck. It is not, because I only have a piece. No. If we put what? If we put a riverling or something? Now, a riverling I think is a bit too big, but anyway. Actually, it doesn't look bad on a riverling. It does not. Why? How tall is a riverling? $180, $164. Because yeah, the riverling is 164. But it's strange though, because 164. Huh? No, there is something I don't understand. Or it's scaled up in another way, or I don't understand it. Because alien mail. There is something not matching. Like if this guy is 180 or 170, right? If this guy is 170, how it is possible that this door but it's not scaled, right? It's scale Z, it's scale 1. So is the wall actor scaled or what? No, it's not. Something I don't understand. I mean, if this door vertically is 190, right? Because it is 190. This door is 190. So this means that here is like probably 170, right? But it doesn't match when I put this character in front, because this character arrives here. Huh? It doesn't match. What the fuck? It doesn't match. It doesn't match. Now, because I can scale it up, right? But I wanted to scale it up. But first I wanted to understand the proportions, right? I mean, to me, everything here looks a bit small, right? So I think here is more evident because if you look at this arch, right, and you look at the character, then you see that the character is barely fitting into the arch, and in theory this should be a very tall arch, or anyway an arch, right? So that, but it's fitting, yes, but barely. So, and this is a small character, right? So this is not a big character. So we have definitely taller characters than this guy. And that is very small, right? So I wanted to increase it about 20%, but if I increase it 20%, things may get very, very big. I mean, that door then may be too big at this point, right? So that's a bit what I'm fearing at this point. That, yeah. But I think I'm gonna do anyway and see, because more space is always good, right? More space is always good. So I would say, now the problem is, how can we actually scale it up without doing damages? Because in theory I can scale this 1.2, right? Boom. And somehow he just did it. And yes, it looks definitely bigger, because now my character stays on the ground like this, right? And now this arch is a more reasonable arch, right? So it's not super big. I don't know why it's always moving him instead of moving me, but fine. And so now it is way more reasonable. But now we have another problem, that now that I scaled everything up, the torches are super big, right? And they don't make any sense. So I have to scale the geometry, but I cannot scale the... So I cannot scale the wall level, pretty much, right? I cannot scale the wall level. So I cannot do what I did. I cannot just say... But you know that something weird is happening, because now that I changed it, right? It still looks the same. How is it possible? Why? 1.2. No, it does not look the same. Does it? I mean, it looks different, but not incredibly different. I'm a bit confused. No, there is something not working here. Because now I said to scale it twice, right? But it is not twice in any possible way, right? It is not twice. I can do 5 times. No, it's not working. This thing is not working. It's not scaling things at all. Or anyway, it's not. I mean, the scale of this thing is not correct. I don't know what is scaling. I don't understand. Because it's scaling wait. It's scaling everything, including the character. Yeah. Stupid me. He's scaling everything, including the character, because the character is actually now inside the scale. Yup, that's why. So in reality, yes, I scaled it up. I did. It's just that it's not visible compared to the character. I think the only way is to have in game one Amdeneir guild and be able to enter into it. Do we have an example? I think we created an example. I think we created an example guildhouse, but then we didn't connect it properly. How was that? Wait. Let me see if I have it in my teleport locations. Maybe I'm lucky and I write it down. Amdeneir. No. I didn't. Fuck. Okay, we should have one guildhouse, at least one guildhouse. We did this in Amdeneir. I think the outside door works, so we can go in. Yeah, do we have the coordinate somewhere? Because I don't have the core. I think I sent you the coordinate, maybe. Let me see, maybe in our chat. Because I will have to retest it, trying to scale it up. Maybe I send it to you, direct message. No. Well, we spoke about it, so probably it's in the devs channel somewhere. Let me see. Ah, here it is, here it is. I find it a bit small. Devon 3000. Devon 3000. Devon, yeah, I found it. So the problem is Devon 3000 connected properly also? I don't know. It's too complex. The easiest is just I go in game, I see where is it, and then I check if in my dummy installation it works as well. Otherwise it's too complex. Okay, let's go. It's very easy. We go just we just go Amdeneir and then we check all the action locations, right? And one action location is the guildhouse. I think that's the simplest way to do it. Otherwise, I have to search in the database for 3 days. You are inside is 310 or 09950. Okay, now the only problem is because I need okay, let me try that, because I need the door, right? I need the outside door. No, this is the inside. Yeah, but it's the same. Why I cannot right click? I cannot exit? The exit is not working. Fuck, this is the only thing that I needed. I only needed the exit. Shit. Why? Now there is no exit. At least there is no action location defined on this door. Fuck. Where is the... do you know where is the entrance? I mean, if you have been here, do you know where is the... I mean, I can also teleport here, but I think if I teleport here, it's not going to work. Let me see. Let me put it here under guild houses, maybe. I don't know. GGG or at the end. Guild houses. This one is Amdeneir. Because I think if I do it in my machine, I will probably just fall forever. But we can try. I don't know if the engine is so smart to reload the guild house. No, in fact, it didn't do it. Strange though, because if you log in into... it's only if you log in there, but not if you teleport there. Yeah, I think so. You are at the entrance. Okay, so what's the coordinates of the entrance? Do you have the coordinates of the entrance? But I will have to copy the... I will have to copy... Okay, now I'm where you are. No, I'm not. Teleport failed. Why? Teleport failed. You are so close to the wall that I cannot teleport to you. So you have two options. Or you move a bit and I can teleport to you, or you give me the coordinates. I suggest the first one. You just move a bit and I can teleport to you. Okay. Nice. Okay, so... So the location is 343-837. 343-837. Minus 589444 minus 589444 and 18449. 18449. Okay, so if I teleport in the same place in my server, right, what happens? I should have all the maps because we modified all the maps. So okay, we are here. One day this game will be more lit. Okay, I know that it's a bit dark at the moment, but fine. Ah yes, we can enter actually. Okay, that's nice. Does it work? Invalid instance. Invalid instance because I didn't load the items, right? But if I load the items, then I think that we will be good. Yeah. Yeah, I just want to have an example so that... Okay, I think it's good, it's good. Let's load the items. I don't need that. Okay. Yeah, I would like to see if I can actually increase the size to a bit of that guildhouse. I think it's nice, but it's very small. And the second thing I want to do, I want to increase the texture. The texture I think are really small, right? These textures, let me see what these textures are pointing at. Some texture already been upgraded, like this one, you see that is already new. You can immediately see it, but these walls, right? These walls and these stairs definitely are not. And I think the reason is that this is a single texture. Yeah, it is. There is a single texture like this, unfortunately, for the wall building, right? And this is kind of a bad idea, but I don't have a better way to... I mean, we can make it 4K, but maybe we can make it 2K. Guildhouse AM01. Guildhouse AM01. So this one arrives from... oh wow. Guildhouse AM01. Arrives from a place that probably doesn't exist anymore. But it's fine. We can... For darkness, try upper Amdeneir. Yeah, I know it's very dark there, because the reason is that the walls are casting a shadow. And they are casting like a huge shadow. So yeah, I'm aware of that. Unfortunately... Oh shit. There was anyway 1K. No? No, maybe not. Oh shit. This is a 4K texture. I think a 4K texture is the minimum we can put in. I mean, not the minimum, but it's what we have to put in, because actually there is a collection of 1,000,000 textures, right? The problem is that this one is not saving the way it should. Guildhouse AMD. All texture diff. Give me a second. I need to try to do a conversion. Give me a second. No, I have to do it another way. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I don't know if I want to put in a 4K texture, but I think that one texture for a wall building, I think is fine. I think even, you know, lower PC should be able to do it. Hopefully. Okay, let me see if somehow we got it. Yeah, it's 22 megabytes, right? So it's kind of heavy, but I mean there is a reason that it's heavy, because it's like a wall building. So okay. It should be reasonable, maybe not great, but Okay, so if we okay, if you put in the 4K one, I cannot save now because the game is running. Oh fuck, was not this character. No! Okay, but we have it saved, we have it saved. We have it saved here. Right. What do you mean teleport failed? What the hell you want? Because this character is too big. No. Okay, 5. So here we are, right? So let's see if we can enter into this thing. Entrance is locked. This lock is impossible to open by lock picking. What the fuck? Why when I have to test something, something completely different pops up? What? This lock is impossible to open by lock picking. Why? Why you have to break my balls like that now? That I'm doing something completely different. Why? Okay, anyway, the lock should be just in front. Hopefully. Yeah, there's the lock. So why this lock is stupid like it is? Why this lock is stupid as it is? Is missing something or why? Lockable, locked, security lock, unpickable, no pickup. Okay, collision detection, I don't know, but anyway. So why I cannot enter locked being a GM? Why? Anyway, we can remove the locked and just a second just to test, because otherwise. Is it loading or what? Yeah, it is loading. That's very slow. No! Fuck. What the hell? Okay, I think because I... Okay. What? Teleport failed. Okay. Apart from that, let's forget that. Yeah, probably I changed it in production. I didn't change it on my machine. So here is still pointing to the other guildhouse. Oh fuck. Wait, maybe I had a guildhouse. Maybe I had a sample guildhouse in the dummy database. Now that I think about it. Which is probably even simpler. Let me see. Guilds. Because I did a test. Amdeneir. Here it is. Yeah, I have one example in the problem is where the hell is that? But house lock 98. Oh my god. Yeah, testing things sometimes is a pain in this game. Just because the game is too complex these days. Start to be too complex. But okay, let's switch to the dummy database. Let's switch to the dummy database. Ray. And let's hope that we have the example. I'm pretty sure I had one example running for that guildhouse. Pretty sure I had it. So it should be here actually. I just don't remember where is the entrance, but I will find it out. I think it's in idle anyway. So guildhouse 1 guildhouse 1 guildhouse 1 is pointing to what? Is pointing to, yeah, 98 is this one. Is this one. So 199, 113, so this thing. IP shop 3, I think IP shop 3 was oh nice sword by the way. I think it was that one, probably. No, not that one, this one. What? This one, huh? This one? Don't remember. No. Okay. 179. Okay, this thing. I don't know if it's this or not, but 199. Well, that's the, well, it should be closed anyway. Because there is the return, no, the return is the one below, but this should be closed anyway. What? Oh, I put it on this door. Yeah, I put it on this door as a test. Okay. Again, entrance is locked. What the fuck? I need a skeleton key. Ah, there was the problem of the skeleton key. Oh my god, Jesus. There was the problem of the skeleton key, right? Otherwise, if you don't have the skeleton key, you cannot enter locked. Jesus Christ. The skeleton key. I don't know why I have this thing unlocked. Please. Where is the freaking... Okay, it's there. What do you mean locked? It said that it was unlocked. What? Entrance is locked. I think I had two entrances. One was... No. Blacksmith locker. No, it's not this, it's not this. Holy shit. No, it's not this, it's not this, it's not this. It's Guildhouse 1. It's the Idla Plaza Shop 3. What the fuck? Okay, if I take the return location, will the return location be correct or not? I don't remember where it is. Well, wait a second. I think I got a flash. Was it this house? Was it this house here? No. Oh my god, why I'm not writing down these things as an example. Okay, -311056. I want to do one simple thing, just load into a freaking, you know, and I cannot. I want to just load in a simple thing and I cannot do it. Here. Okay, let me save this. Let me save this 1 second. Because otherwise I'm going to, next time I'm going to go crazy again. Teleport location, guild houses. Dummy database. So this is dummy database, right? Dummy database, guild house. Okay. Okay, is here, is actually here. Okay, here it works. Okay, finally I'm in the freaking guild house. Now, this is already the upgraded texture or no? Looks like yes. Why is missing the... what? Huh? What happened? Huh? Hmm. What? Because it didn't save it. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's loading empty. Yeah, it's loading empty. It's loading empty. It's loading empty. Okay, fine. We have to restart the client. But apart from that, right, this is the size that we have at the moment. Now, this character is a very small character, right? And so for him, you know, this stair is kind of reasonable, but still kind of small. This door, right, for him is, well, for him is kind of reasonable. But this character is one of the smallest that we have because it's the female dwarf, and the dwarf is already small and she's smaller than the male. So look at the size compared to a chest, right? Okay, so we want to come here with a normal character. I don't know why I logged in with this character, but let's do it again. Let's just save the texture. Save the material, okay. Reload. Now we have the coordinates, so everything should be fine. And let's log in with a cran so that, assuming that cran is a cran, because actually we changed the races. But probably cran is not a cran. But let's see. Now the only thing I have to be careful is that if I increase the size significantly, one guildhouse can then go inside another guildhouse if they are too close to each other, right? So that is something I have to kind of take care of. Yeah, Kranikran is a clan. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so if I go here, nice. She's in front of the house, right? Okay. So now we are with him. Yeah, you see that the door is kind of at the... I mean, it will not fit the door properly in theory, right? But it's kind of decent size. I think that the problem... Yeah, you see the problem is here already. So already here, it cannot go through because this thing is too small. So he has to crouch to actually enter into that part of the building. And yeah, by the way, the texture now is much better. Obviously, being a 4K texture. And now here is okay, but every door is like a bit small, right? So I don't know if 20% is too much, but this is what I would like to try. I would like to try at 20%. Now to do a 20%, the only way I can really do it is to re-export 20%. Or just try to scale like I was trying to do, right? I was trying to scale this 20%. But if I do that, then also all the lamps and everything would be 20% bigger, which is probably out of scale, right? All these lamps. I mean, I can place them again. But the idea would be that this one is scaled. Now I cannot scale this without re-importing it, without changing also the child, right? So that's a bit of the problem. Yeah, but anyway, it should be easy to scale and react. Now 20% is a lot. 20% is a lot. So I have to be a bit careful on the sides, but because the door also the door seems to be a separate piece. I think it is done because you can then right click on it, right? So also the door needs to be scaled, and by the way, it needs to be scaled with the same pivot, otherwise they will not match the place anymore. Yeah. Art level Amdeneir interior guildhouse. Art level. Art level. Art level Amdeneir. Interior guildhouse. Guildhouse IM02. Open. Okay, let me see how big it is now. So at the moment, this thing is $40 meters, right? I have to remember if I give 50 meters per guildhouse or if I give 100 meters per guildhouse. Because if I give 50 and I scale it twice... oh, by the way, there is another room there. Were we aware that there is another room? There is another room behind one of these doors. Interesting. But it's not... Wait, but that room is not in here. No, it's there. It's there. It's there. It is actually there. Just that is not, yeah, it's not accessible because the door is closed. So we will have to make this door or an action location or a teleport door. By the way, it's a bit fucked. It's a bit fucked in UV. And it's a bit fucked here as well. You have to slide into that room, yeah. The UV is, there is a duplication here, but anyway, that's not a big deal. What I want to say is that I have to check if we do 50 meters or 100 meters per guildhouse. I think we do 100 meters. So it should be more than enough. Guildhouse. There is a function that is returning the guildhouse location. No. I mean, there is for sure. It just probably doesn't. It's not named guildhouse, but there is get guildhouse owner, repopulate guildhouse items, guild info, spawn actor, house position, get guildhouse spawn position. Exactly, is this one. Get guildhouse spawn position. House ID multiplied by, yeah, it's 100 meters. It's a 100 meters distance. $100 So if we scale it up 20%, right? Which anyway is a lot, so I have to be a bit careful that is not too much. But if we scale it up by 20%, we arrive to 60 or so, right? Well, actually we arrive to, yeah, 60 something. So it would be really big. I think it would be one of the biggest guildhouse ever existed. But anyway, because the idea was to add additional. Where is the door though? The door. The door is here. The door is here. The door is here. Yeah, but I think if I scale it 1.2, everything will match. If I will scale 1.2 starting from the center, should not be a problem. The problem are the lamps and everything else, right? But I think I can do this. Let's do this test. I mean, it's just a test, so it's no, we're not breaking anything, right? So let's export this one, select it only. Wait, can I do the fix of the? No, let's do it later. I don't want to. Let's do it later. Let's do it later. Selected only. Edge. Guildhouse AM 02. Do we have a 01? No. It's only 02, right? Guildhouse AM 01. What? Probably just two versions of it. Yeah, because this is reading from 02. Then we can do the other fixes, but I first want to understand the... I first want to understand the sides, because the sides really bothers me. Because I mean, if one character needs to crouch, you know, to actually get in, it's kind of annoying. Okay, so now I can exit from here. Now the floor will remain in the same position. So in theory, if we had any items, right? If we had any items, is that really true? Yeah, I think it's true, yeah. If we had any items on the floor, they should remain in place. Right. You are levels Amdeneir. Internal guildhouse Amdeneir 02. Okay. I don't know if the position changed. Probably the position of the door now is different, so we will have some problems for sure. I mean, I'm already. I know we will have some problems with the entrance, with the exit, with whatever, but fine. What does it mean, pivot? Pivot? Do you think that this thing moved? No, everything is 000. No, I don't believe so. It's a bit scary though. It was called pivot, like if the pivot of the thing was changed. But anyway, no, it looks moved up about correctly. No, it seems correct. It seems correct. Position seems correct. Okay, so now we have this, right? And okay, and now obviously all the lamps are in wrong positions because they all have to be repositioned, but it's fine. Just because everything is bigger. And my character is finally smaller, like it should be. Right? So I think I can delete my test character. We don't want to leave the test character in. And I will move the... I can do some additional fixes. I can fix the... also the door. I'm thinking if the door should become an interactable... Probably yes. The problem is that if it becomes an interactable, well, we can put a script on it to decide if a particular player can actually open it or not, right? So that would be the idea, yeah. Okay, so now we have the new guildhouse with enhanced sides, and now we will see. Wait, I need some something to drink. Okay, now we will see. Now we'll see how it looks with the crane. And this will be bigger. I mean, will be significantly bigger. Because 20% on a building is really a lot. Like the doors may look a bit oversized and seems identical. No, it's not identical. It's definitely bigger. Yeah, so imagine that these were the previous walls, right? Or not? No. These were there. Okay, these were there. Yeah, but it definitely looks better. It looks better here. It looks better here. Let's see if I... At least I don't have to crouch, right? I mean, it's still at the limit, because as you can see, it's pretty much at the limit of the crane, but finally I don't have to crouch, right? I think this is perfect. Now it's perfect. Now this door will look a bit big for a dwarf or whatever, but yeah, now it's perfect. 20% is fantastic. And everything seems to be correct. Okay, so if this is true, right? And also the texture is upgraded, so now it looks much better. Now the only thing that we have to do, I would like to switch all the well, I would like to change the position. Well, the few things. Wait. My brain is like creating a list. Immediately creating a list of 20 things I want to do. Yeah, the first thing is I would like to fix that bad UV overlap, right? So that was pretty bad. My problem is navigating here. My problem is navigating with one hand. But yeah, here we have a problem. Well, actually the floor seems not to be set properly in Blender. I don't know why. Floor AM, I think it's this one. Floor AM. Okay. Nice. So there seems to be an overlap somewhere here. Doesn't show this side though. Yeah, it shows this side. Okay, so or we cut off one side or we cut off the other side, right? Because anyway, it cannot be double. Cannot be double. There is two pieces. Now this is actually one piece, so there is one single geometry. But here we have... Oh, okay, that's probably simpler than I was thinking. And just delete this. Okay, well, that was simpler than what I was thinking. Okay, so that's fixed. Then it seems that all these doors are a bit fucked up. I don't know why, but they all have like a wrong UV mapping, right? As you can see, it's a bit left and right, left and right, left and right. I don't know exactly what happened, but if I do Control L, UV maybe. Yeah. So what happened to this door? Well, actually, okay, because that is covering the side. Oh, fuck. Certain doors are different than the others. GG, bro. Certain doors are different than the others. I don't know if I want to fix this. I don't know if I want to fix this. Because it seems to be kind of hard to fix, actually. I mean, in theory, right, is this one that is slightly to the left or to the, yeah, like this is already better, right? But who tells me what is what, right? Who tells me if all the doors are wrong or just a few are wrong? So that's the dilemma. That's the dilemma. The problem is that in Blender I'm very slow. Because I really need two hands to do this. Because I need to you know, Yeah, there are so many commands you have to give with 2 hands, and that's an issue. Hello, Ramen88. An MMO in the works. Actually, an MMO released, which is better than in the works. Yeah, we have the game released. We are making improvements to it. If you want to play, is available on our website. Yep. So here we have some doors which are probably correct, and other doors that probably are not. Right? So now the point is, which one is the one that is correct and which one is the one that is not? That's kind of a funny thing to find out. Like, can we try to put this one on this one and see if he's actually good? I mean, I can try. No, it is worst actually. Well, probably because this is different as well. Yeah. So if that goes here, and that goes here. Nah. It seems that each one is slightly different. I don't understand why. It's like if this door had been made separately. And yeah, it's like if they have been made separately. Oh my god. That is a pain. That is a pain. That is a real pain. That is a real pain. I already have an MMO made and you're converting to Unreal? No, we already converted it to Unreal. Yeah, we already converted it to Unreal. It's running in Unreal right now. But yes, it was not in Unreal in the past. It was not in Unreal in the past, and we converted it. Yeah. Well, we meaning me, but yeah. I converted to Unreal. No, actually, other people helped me because like Tua did a lot of work on the 3D side, and Vanalan also did some work on it at the time. So it's not true. I mean, multiple people helped. Okay, at least now it's kind of straight, right? It's not perfect, but at least it's kind of reasonably straight. The problem is that we have like 20 other doors, but fine. We have, I think we have a lot of doors in here. And this door is probably also double face, so maybe wrong on the other side. No! Yeah, for sure, for sure. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. So every door we have to basically do twice. No! Where I can see a screenshot of gameplay. On YouTube, are you on Twitch at the moment? Yeah, on YouTube, there is a presentation video. If you go, not here. If you go, I can give you the link. Like the first video here. I don't see it because it's not. Because I am not you and you are not me. But anyway, I think it's called trailer or something. It's not very recent, right? But yeah, it's 3 years ago. GG 3 years ago. But anyway, it's 3 years ago. But if you want to see it, it's there. Watch that. It gives you a feeling of a bit of what we created. You can see some cities, you can see some stuff. So I mean, obviously that's 3 years ago, so quite some stuff has been done in the meantime. But yeah, but pretty much, you know, the game is that. Do I really want to do this? Sometimes I have very bad ideas. Like I say, oh, why we don't fix this, right? I mean, why we don't leave it exactly as it is? Okay, I fixed it. It's still a bit fucked at the top, but I don't have the willingness to do it. There are a lot. I see there are a lot of wrong sharp. Really many. Which on flat surfaces should not be too bad, but still, you know. In theory, we should remove them all if we want to do a good job, but yeah, I have 1 life. Okay. I mean, this door still looks completely fucked. I mean, it looks like the vertical is now vertical. What the fuck? Huh? What the hell is going on? Yeah, exactly. I think that this is not where it should be. This door is all fucked up. Better. Okay, now is better. The bad news is that we have another 20 doors to do. No! Oh my god, they're all the same. Yeah, these ones are actually all the same. Can we select them all and see if they are identical? Maybe on this side they are all identical. I hope so. Okay, let's try. Let's try to select all these ones. Yeah, these ones are identical. Okay, okay, okay. We have a chance, guys. We have a chance. We have a chance. We have a chance. It looks like many of them are exactly... Probably only the one that was inside was different. Yep, yep, yep. These one are all the same. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, I don't know about this one. We will find out soon. No, that one is different. Fuck. Okay, but at least 3 doors, right? 3 doors are the same. Hopefully all the ones on the side. Nope. Okay, GG, bro. Okay, at least those 3 are the same. So is it the same with that one or not? Nope. Fuck it, bro. Okay. I don't know, those 3 magically are identical. So I think if we fix, yeah, for sure, if we fix one, we fix all. For sure. Okay. Okay, so the first thing we saw was that this thing at the bottom is really bad. Okay. The second thing that we saw is that this thing in the middle, let me try to scale X. Maybe scale X is doing the trick. No, 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 it's not. No, 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 no. Okay. Yeah, this is better. And this is slightly better. Now, I mean, this is not too bad. Okay. So these 3 doors are fixed. Now let's hope that the 2 at the back are identical, right? So let's try to select this. And then try to select this. Yes, the 2 at the back at least are identical. Okay. That's a good news. Now, either very fucked up or only little fucked up. Well, this one is a bit better because at least the bottom is not fucked up. But the top, it is really fucked up. So... Okay. Well... Bro, doing these things with one hand is the most complex exercise of my life. It's so freaking annoying because there are so many shortcuts that you need to press 2 keys. And I'm doing in a weird way. But anyway, this is already much better. So happy about that. Now, let me see if also the doors on this side are fucked. Yeah, the answer is yes. This one are even fucked more. Okay. Let's see if at least they are all the same. Please. Yes, 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 yes. 2 are identical. Let's hope that these 2 others are also identical. Yes. Yes. How many doors this thing has, really? And yes. Okay. So it is very nice because now with 1 we fixed 5 doors, right? Yeah, so that's a bit encouraging, right? So okay. Okay, so the floor is completely off. Okay. This is very, very skewed as well. Well, I think it's the other side, probably skewed, not this one. Yeah. Well, yes and no. Made a video game, they said. It would be fun. The top is completely off for whatever reason. I mean, completely maybe is a bit too much, but it's really like zigzag lines, right? Okay, like this I think is more reasonable. I think people will not notice too much. Okay, okay, okay. Are there more doors here as well? Obviously, yes. How many doors this thing has? I'm willing to transform into walls right now. But anyway, okay, I think these are the last two, by the way. So let's see if this one is identical to this one. Hopefully the answer is yes. I mean, it should be, because one is probably copied from the other, but please select that, please. Fuck. Please! Okay. Yeah, they are identical. Okay, good thing. Good thing. Yeah, we have both selected. Okay, I think these are the last two, by the way. Then we can finally consider this done and move on. Really hoping for to do that soon. So anyway, for anyone that is here, just arrived or whatever, I'm trying to do the last fixes for the next release. So this is why I'm going a bit fine-tuning, because we don't have, I mean, we don't release so often, or anyway, releasing for me is a bit of a long process, because I have to release on Windows, Linux, and Mac. So building the client takes some time. So if I can jam in as many client-side changes as possible, is always something that I like, right? I like doing, because so we don't have to then release another update. So that is why I'm doing this client-side changes. All this stuff is client-side, the maps, the textures, right? The server is actually not even loading the textures, so it doesn't even know how the texture look like. Which makes sense, right? Okay, I think we can save this. Maybe just do a fly through and see if there is anything else that needs to be fixed. Well, there are a lot of sharp edges here and there, but you know what? I think I had enough of editing this for now. Okay, so that's good. We did that. We did this. I think we can re-export. I think we can re-export just the main building. Okay. Do the final save here. Switch to Unreal, reload the guildhouse, and which will finally have the doors fixed. Yeah, they look definitely better, I would say. And now we have few other things to do. The first one I would like to do is to change the positioning of the objects, right? So all the lamps, right? All these lamps. By the way, I don't know why there is an AM lamp which is actually empty. What is that? This is an error, right? There is an error. So now the lamps needs to be repositioned, because as you can see now they are all on in the wrong spots. Now how do we do it automatically? There's no way to do it automatically, unfortunately, so we really have to move them manually one by one. And reposition them. Also, I think they were higher, so they were like on the wall like this. So maybe at least the height, we can set it identical to all, right? So the height could be 220 or well, maybe a bit lower though. 217, yeah, 217. So if I take all of them, right, and I move them, and I move them 217, yeah. So I do that for all of them, and then we put, well, or I can do also one by one, but basically they all have to be repositioned. Okay. I think they also have to be recentered, yeah. They also have to be recentered a bit, now that I say, so it's more than just... This place, this place is complex. 1 million doors, 1 million. But anyway, I would like at the end the guild houses to be all like this. So I think we will redo the other guild houses one day. And they have to be way bigger. They need to have many doors, because every door will be a service that you can enable by expanding the guild house, right? Services can be healing, or additional storage, or maybe some magical enchantment, right? Things like that. So you go to your guild house also to boost, right? Or to, yeah, maybe to boost yourself, right? Before an adventure. So you go to your guild house, and depending on the services that you have activated in the guild house, you will be able to receive, I don't know, some magical blessing, or maybe to sharpen your weapons, or to store more stuff. I don't know. We have to think exactly what, but that's the idea, right? So every one of these doors, in theory, is built with that in mind, right? Why there is a... because it was this side. Yeah, but not there, I guess. Now we have to think which are these services, right? What are the services that we would like to have? Isn't this a bit too many freaking... Isn't this a bit too many lights? I mean, I like lights, but... And the services, obviously, you will have to maintain with, for example, I don't know, the magic blessing, right? You have to boost it with certain crystals or with some stuff, so that basically will be a way to sink people money, so that they can spend money for this, right? What the fuck is that? Ah, yes, that is the, okay, I have to fix that as well. That's the outside. Why it is only one side? Probably because it's inside a wall, or why? I don't see it. Okay, there was only one. Do you think I can select all of them or no? Probably. No. Okay. That's nice. Did I miss one? No. And the problem is now I have to do each one separately because they are in different places. Now, I don't know if we had... I don't know. This door is still fucked. No! Okay, there is one door that is still bad. Okay, GG. I don't want to do it. We stay broken. So one is there, one is here. Why this one is not at the end, right? Why we have this weird positioning? Yeah, sometimes I have bad ideas. Like, let's just expand the guild 20% because, you know, whatever. And this happens. Yes, on the other side is the same mess. Fuck. No, I wanted to. I wanted to move, not to. Please select it all. 217. Yup. Now we want to have it exactly as the other side or not? Well, maybe yes. So this one is here. They're super close. I don't know why. Okay, did we position them all? No, there are still these two. These two were on the thingy. 217. I think these two were here on the wall, right? Or not? I think they were here, but there are already a million other lights. So, are we sure we want to put them there? I mean, I can, but it looks a bit weird to have them. Because I think that this light was actually the light inside the tunnel. Yeah, exactly. This light was inside the tunnel, but now the tunnel is way more to the side. So this one was probably here and a bit at the top, right? And this one probably was just... This one was probably in the middle here, just to brighten this part. Yeah, probably this part could be. Not sure, but it looks like a good place. Now these ones, I think we can leave them where they are. This one, I think we can leave it where it is. That one we all did, so they are all correct. And if we go up, there is probably only one light. Yeah, this one. It needs to be moved here to the door, right? And now we don't have a light here, but so maybe we even do a bit more than the door, so it's more on the stair. Yeah. And then the other thing is the black box, because we have a black box which is actually which is actually shielding this guildhouse from the sun. Now I don't know if this really works or not, but that was the idea. And now this box is probably too small. Yeah, not by much though, so I don't think we have to scale it. I don't think we have to scale it 20%, right? I think we just have to make it slightly larger. So I think if we do like 48, right, or 50, say 50, is probably enough now. Yeah. I just don't know if this is going to interfere with the other guild houses. Yeah, let me do maybe a 48, because that should be enough. Yeah, it is enough. And on this side we have the same problem. So it should probably be a 42 as well. No, more, 45. Wow. 46. 46. Okay. Okay, so now everything should be positioned properly. I don't know exactly what is this arrow. Ah, that's the player start. Wait. This one is the player start, so this one we have to move properly, otherwise you will just be spawning underwater. I mean under the floor. Right? Okay. Good. Okay, so I think that is good. Can we compile, save, and actually test it? Bro, please don't crash. Don't crash now. Okay. Fuck. I mean, it was like thinking for 1 hour. I was like, if he's crashing now after all the work that we did on every object, I would like scream. Okay. Okay, so basically what we did, we upgraded the texture, we fixed some of the UV, and we also scaled it up to be more reasonable. Now the door in the middle is still a real door. But yeah, at the moment it's not needed. But in the future we will need that door to be an interactable. In theory, it's not very complex, right? It's just a matter of dropping. But I have to build the interactable with that particular door. I have to, you know, yeah, there are a few things to do. So I would say, for now we leave it. We did enough work on this. So yeah, basically I will not be able to release by the end of the year. I don't think I can release tomorrow. I don't think so. I think I still want to do some fixes. But let's see. Okay, now our guildhouse is nice and fine. Fantastic. Yeah, it's missing an exit, right? We said. Is missing an exit. Yeah, it is. No, it's not. Huh? It's missing an exit in prod. Yeah, it's missing an exit in prod. It's missing an exit in prod. Wasn't the window? So let me see if. Yeah. So we don't have this. We don't have this in prod, right? Probably not. But I think we can add it right now. Because that is anyway. This is kind of a standard, you know, way out, and it's just based on the mesh. Yeah. And it's based on the instance. So based on the instance, you know, I mean, there is a kind of a convoluted logic to know in which guildhouse you are. Based on the instance. Ba-da-bam, bam, 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 bam. Okay, let's try to replicate the exit. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay. What? Actions. Yeah, you see there are no actions defined here. So we will add a new action. Well, actually, I think I can just right click here. And I get my new action to create. So should be identical to this one, because this one we saw that it actually works. So if possible, right, we will do it the same. So it will be called guild Amdeneir out. Right, sector will be guild Amdeneir. The mesh is guildhouse AM02 door. Fantastic. Polygon is 5. No, polygon should be 0. I'm not sure why. Ah, because it took it now that we generated. Yeah. Polygon 0, active, radius. We have 4 meters. I think 4 meters is pretty good. Position is whatever we got from there. Instance is -1, and then we have master 0, select examine, and then we have this text to type in the script. And now we save it, we reload the cache, and now in theory we can exit from the guildhouse also in production. Let's go, boys! Let's go! Fantastic. Who is online? These people are online. Okay. Nice. Okay, now. Okay, so we can consider this done. Can we? Yeah, I think we can, right? So we can consider this one done. Where was it? Where was it? Modify HP, test guildhouse falling down, review plants mineral distribution, review enhanced input action, increase texture. Ah, it was it. Done. I'm using the mouse with the left hand because my right hand is actually not usable at the moment. Hello, Solvent Sky. Hey, welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you? Sit on chair should be fixed at this point, right? I think the new version of ALS also fixed this, right? Okay, so I think we did quite some stuff. There is still a few pending. Let me try to regroup all the stuff that is done and separate the one that is not done for a second, right? So this one I don't understand what I said actually. The one here below that says modify HP in UI to be current and max HP. I don't understand what is this. We already have current and max, so should I just delete it? I will just delete it. I don't understand what was that. I don't remember. I don't know. So I will just delete it. This one we did. This one we did. This one we did. This two we did. I'm just trying to clean up a bit the list. So we have this one remain. This one would be very nice, but it's a bit hard to do. This one is being done by someone else, so hopefully it will make some progress. I hope so. This one we did as well. Okay, there is this view fish in 3D view. Nah, this I think I will park it really in future because I don't want to do it now. The spacebar to stop the flying movement. Yeah, this one actually I want to do. I don't understand why we lost it. But basically in the jump... yeah, exactly. In the jump, we had a way to stop any movement if you were flying. So you were pressing like spacebar, and it was stopping you, and it was very, very, very handy. And now we lost this. We lost this after the conversion to the new ALS. And I think I want to restore it. I don't know exactly how to do it, but I would find a way. So I think it's just in the jump code. I think it's just in the jump code, which actually is now. I think we have our own jump override in PS character, right? We should have. Yeah, exactly. Input action, jump action, implementation, right? So in this one, jump released. Because we had the press and the release in the previous one, yeah, but still, I don't see anything here that was actually stopping me. I mean, it should be something like if is flying, right? If is flying, you know what I can do? I can go in Subversion and search for flying. And maybe I typed it in the Subversion comments, and so we will see exactly what I did. Please. I hope so. So let me search flying. Shit. Let me search fly. Fly a bit better. Yeah, but it is 070, 745. No, so I didn't put it in the. I didn't put it in the log, or is before this upgrade. Yeah, probably is before this upgrade, actually. But I have the file. Improved flying for GM, better moving, right animation, the jump button stop movement. I found it. The jump button stop movement. So what we changed? But I cannot. Fuck. But I cannot. Shit. I cannot diff because I don't have this repository anymore for reasons that are hard to explain. But yeah, it was actually an ALS based character and in PS yeah, I don't know. Was here or there? No idea. Was here or there? ALS yeah, well, okay. Unfortunately. Okay, let's compare. No. Source plugin ALS. Source. Let's compare ALS base character again. ALS base character. Show log. I think we want to compare. This with this, right? Compare with working copy, and then we want to find a fly. I think if fly is actually called in air. If it is. If swimming and flying jump stops all movement. Okay, fantastic. We found it, bro. We found it. So is in jump action implementation. Yeah, we can put it here. We can actually put it here. Yeah, I think we can copy the whole thing. If stance, well, is movement state. If movement state. I mean, the important point is that it's inside grounded here, right? Is inside if grounded, else. Yeah, no, it's okay. It's okay. We can copy the whole thing. Use this text block. And then there is also this mantle. Can we remove this mantle? I don't think I want the mantle, because one of the very annoying thing is when you are flying. No, but it is only if you jump. Yeah, no, this one is needed. No, I was saying another thing, that when you are flying, if you could disable mantle when you are flying, that would make my life so much easier. So probably you can do this. Okay, so this is the right change, by the way. This is the right change. So if I open here plugins and I search stop movement, stop all movement, it's incredible. Stops, obviously. Stops all movement. Okay, see. Now this server stop movement doesn't exist anymore, and this mantle check falling doesn't exist anymore. This doesn't exist anymore in the new version, guys. So is it something that we have implemented, or there is a stop movement immediately that is actually missing in the new release. Stop movement immediately. Okay, let me search if there is this somewhere. Yes, actually there is, but there is in our code, not in ALS. So we have to implement it as well. Is there a better way? I mean, like put it in our class? No, because there we are inside ALS jump, right? So unfortunately, we have to do this. And we have to do stop movement. And we have to do public character, LS-based character, SVN show log, compared to working copy. Stop movement. Stop movement. Here it is. Okay. So we save that, and we save this. So now at least one of the two should exist, right? This one now exists, so this one should be fine. Now this mantle check falling, I think has been moved. Because now the mantle thingy. I don't even know what this thing was doing, by the way. This mantle check falling, I don't even know what he was doing in the old bro, it was not here. Mantle check falling. It seems that is not in ALS based character. Strange. Virtual mantle system. Mantle check falling. Probably it is then in ALS character. That's strange though. No. I don't remember where this mantle check falling is coming from. I mean, it's virtual, right? And doesn't seem to be implemented now. In theory, should be implemented. I mean, it's kind of weird that it's not. You know what we can do? I think I still have the old. No, I don't have it. GG. I don't have the old PS Unreal project. No, I don't. The 477, the 427. I don't know. We can remove it and see if it works. I mean, I don't think that. I mean, there was a virtual call, but it doesn't look like it was implemented, right? So I would just ignore it for now. Okay, let's recompile like this. So what do we want to see? So let's just recompile. We want to see is that we can actually stop in the air while and then let me do another check. If we can avoid mantling while in the air, no, we cannot do that because if we are flying, no, we cannot do that. No, okay, let's not do stupid stuff. Let's just compile it like this and see if we can now stop movement again while flying, which was a very nice addition, by the way. I just want to add my tag. Right, this plane shift added, that we know that we added this thing, because here we are inside the ALS plugin, and I want to mark, you know, whatever I'm doing a bit better than the previous time, so that server stop, yeah. Okay, so at least we document better that we added those two functions. I think I will go soon. What time is it? 11:26. We did a lot of work today. We are a bit slower, but I think we did a lot of good stuff. It took me a lot, but it's okay. It's okay. We did a lot of good stuff. So we did all we could. Okay, let's see if we can stop while flying. I think we will be able to, but let's just test it to be sure that it works properly. And then we can see if we want to do anything else tonight or not. Yeah, this one is a very important point to me, but I don't know. Yeah, this one we absolutely need to do. There are still few things, but it's not much. It's not much. I don't think it's much. I don't think it's much. Add more graphics option to the setting panel for Mac debug. Yeah, that would be, I think, a good idea. I mean, at the moment, in the settings panel, we have only the basic options, but we don't really have the advanced one. And I think we should have the advanced one as well. So I will, yeah, this last one, and then we are done pretty much, right? And then we are done. I think there's still a chance to have a release tomorrow, actually. I mean, I think we are like 10 hours short. I think we are like 10 hours short to have a release tomorrow, but I don't think I can put in 10 hours, you know, out of nothing. I don't think I can, you know, like work the whole night tonight just to have a release in 24. I don't think I will do it. I mean, it's a fun idea, but no, thank you. Okay. Unless some of you wants to do a crazy donation. A crazy donation and say, is that enough? Is that enough, you know? To work all night and never release tomorrow. Let me just speak. I added the exit to the guildhouse in production now. Fantastic. No problem with your broken member. What do you mean broken member? Which broken member? We don't have anything broken in game, no? What is broken? Hello, Fanner. 200 lost. Well, 200. I mean, losing 200 is kind of reasonable, right? Up in gravity. Okay, let's move and then let's see if I can stop. Yeah, I can stop. Okay, fantastic. Stopping is very, very nice. Okay, good. I know it's not your leg, but I forgot. My arm, Hula. My arm. No, it's not I mean, it's not a problem at the moment. I mean, it's not painful. At the moment it's not painful and is recovering, so it looks okay to me. Now I'm still using, as you know, only the left hand, so it's kind of annoying, but it's good. Okay, so this one is fixed as well. This one is fixed. Yes. Done. Oh my god. Done. They are all a bit higher than they should be. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm done for today. We did a lot. I mean, I did like a 7-hour stream before, and I did like now, how much? Another 230 hours. So we streamed for like 9-10 hours, right? So I think it's enough. I think the stuff that I really want to do is this one. Also because at the moment the shortcut bar, the shortcuts, right, are not correct anymore because we switched it to You see that it is empty. So this is because we have to reconnect the old to the new system, right? We have to reconnect the movement to the new system. And yeah. And then there is the quick bar. So this is the minimum that we have to do. We have to finish the implementation here. It should not be super long. I think it should be reasonable. And then we can look at the shortcut bar. For sure we need to test it. So I think that is needed. If I have to, you know, shorten the list, this one is needed 100%. And that's it. I wanted to do this one. The footsteps. Sorry, my face is on top of it. Wait, I can do this. My face is on top of that. This one, the footstep sound based on the surface type. That would be very nice, I think. Every game pretty much has it. And we don't, but there is already a system in place to do it. I think ALS is already capable of that because it's actually checking the line tracing down, right? And we can also do it every X number of steps. It's not that we have to do it at every step. I don't know. Maybe we can do it only on the main character and not on everyone else in the game, right? So maybe it can also be only be on you and not on everyone else. So that would be a bit easier probably. Yeah. But anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching and see you soon. I will stream also tomorrow. Tomorrow is the end of the year, my boys. Tomorrow is the 31st of the year. I didn't plan anything specific. I mean, I plan to meet my friends actually the previous days, but I had this stupid accident, so I didn't. But I'm not planning to do anything specific. I will be out the 1st because I'm going to see a concert on the 1st, but tomorrow I'm here. And so, yeah, I will say bye-bye while flying. And I will see you tomorrow, maybe in the morning already, possible in the morning, depending how tired I am or not. If you want to click follow on Twitch, subscribe on YouTube, that's always a good idea. Also remember that our game is actually released, so you can go to our website and download it and play it for Windows, Linux and Mac. And here are all our socials in case you want to connect with us. A concert, classical. Is a friend singing in a group, I don't know how to say, in a kind of a gospel group. So it's like 50 people. No, it's not jazz in this case. I don't know exactly what they will sing, but there may be some jazz as well. But I don't know. I don't have the list of songs, so I have no idea. It's a complete surprise to me. So yeah, we'll go on the first. On the first, I will not be streaming. Or I may be streaming in the afternoon, and then I will leave in the evening. I don't know. Let's see. Choir. Yeah, like a choir. Yes, like a choir with some instrument, but not too many. But it's like 50 people singing. Okay. See you guys. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye.